This is Railman 300 today, and we're going to hear the sirens go off at noon, and right now it's 11:58, so it's about to go off in 2 minutes. So you guys are going to hear it, but you can hear it good. We're right over here. Alright guys, the siren goes off in 2 minutes. Didn't go off yet, but it's about to go off any minute now. Soon. It's going off in 1.5 minutes. So it's about to go off. You guys are about to hear it. It's going to be super loud, so cover your ears in because you can hear the siren. It's still 11:58. Now it's 11:59. It goes off in 1 minute. You're about to hear it go off any minute now. It's about to go off. You guys are about to hear it. You guys are about to hear it. It's about to go off any minute now. It's going off soon. It's gonna go off. It's already 11:59. And 1 minute the sirens are going off everywhere. It's going off everywhere. You guys are about to hear the sirens go off. They're gonna be super loud. It's gonna be awesome. It's 11:59. 12 noon. It's noon. It's about to go off. Guys, it's about to go off again any minute now. You guys are about to hear it. This takes a while for it to go off. It's 12:01. Here it goes in just a second. There it is, guys. You guys can hear the sirens from Smoky Row. Everybody, that's from Smoky Row. It's about to have The Voice next. Guys are about to hear The Voice. See guys, you did hear the sirens go off. So that's it for today. Bye bye.